So this apartment was about $400 or $500 like the other ones in Vietnam so far, and like those as well, it was just a little studio. Right over here, we've got our little couch. That's where Gia has spent an absurd amount of time so far. Yes, that's her every day. She used to set up her little desk right here, and she would just teach every day for like 10 hours right there. And then we've got a bed. I would say this is probably the most comfortable bed that we've had so far in Asia, wouldn't you? Right here we have a balcony that is really, really beautiful. It's a push. She's good at a lot of things. Opening doors is not one of them.
Tell them about the piano music.
So if you step out here, this is our balcony. We're on the 3rd floor on this really, really cool, really beautiful street. Just down there, every morning, there's a lady that will play the piano, and she'll wake us up sometimes, and it is honestly the best way to possibly get woken up. We have this really, really big TV, which in theory was really nice, but it was all in Vietnamese, and we weren't able to figure out how to use it. So we didn't use that TV once.
Bathroom.
This was definitely the best bathroom we've had in Vietnam. Just standard right here, but what was really cool and really convenient is that it's got instant hot water. So there's no hot water heater that you see all over in Southeast Asia. You can just turn it on and you instantly have a hot water. And over here, it came with, oh yeah, this funny story with those. Would you like to explain how we acquired 15 Coke bottles despite neither of us drinking pop?
I haven't drinking soda since high school. When was the last time that you drank?
I've never had Coke before.
We would order our dinner from this restaurant called Roadhouse in Da Nang, and they have the best chicken sandwich. The best chicken sandwich. It's called the Hot Chick. If you're ever in Da Nang, check it out. And we ordered it every single day to the point where they gave us a coupon that says, please come visit us in store for 10% off.
Yeah, so we must have gotten takeout 15 times.
And every time they gave us a free Coke. And so we've been collecting them here. We don't drink Coke. So hopefully the housekeeper likes these.
So a little parting gift to her. And then we've got this little kettle that we have used so much. This is a lifesaver when the cafes are all closed in the middle of the night because we're working American hours. So we work about 9 to 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. All right, so where are we heading next, Gia?
We're headed to Kuala Lumpur. We have a layover there, and then from Kuala Lumpur, we are headed to Dubai. We tried to get the Dubai Connect program, where you get to stay in Dubai for free with a hotel from the airline, but our layover didn't count because there was a quicker flight. So poor planning on our part.
Yeah, definitely. If you want to take advantage of like the Emirates Connect, I think it's called, or something like that, or Dubai Connect by Emirates, where Emirates will pay for your hotel and your taxi into the city. Definitely make sure that you qualify before booking because we were really excited to kind of hack a free vacation of this layover, but instead we're just going to be sitting at the Dubai airport.
The airport, woo!
Yeah.
We're definitely going to check out the lounges though and explore every inch of the airport.
Yeah, we've got 12 hours throughout the night in Dubai, and then where are we heading after that?
We are headed to Turkey.